You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals 48/5. Let's solve it step by step. Group all in terms on the left side of the equation. Add into both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is n equals 48/5.